ever bigger. Samsung is preparing up to introduce the Samsung Galaxy A12 4G soon. Recently, the phone with model number SM125F/DSA got listed on the company's official website in Russia. Now, the 5G variant of the Galaxy A12 has been leaked online. Leaks has revealed the clear renders of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A12 5G, which showcases its rear and front design. The renders reveals that the Galaxy A12 5G will come with a watertop style notch display. In terms of optics, it will feature a quad rear camera setup along with an LED flashlight, which will be placed at the top left corner of the backside in a square-shaped module. Further, the phone is set to pack a side position fingerprint sensor for connectivity. The phone will include a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port, and loudspeaker grill. Moreover, we can expect the Galaxy A12 4G will have a similar design as its 5G variant. However, as per the previous leak, the 4G model of the phone is expected to sport a triple rear lens, which is present on its preceded Galaxy A1. With this, the handset was spotted on the leaked listing with the MediaTek Helio P35 chipset. Further, the Galaxy A12 4G is set to run on Android 10 OS. For display, the phone is expected to mount an LCD panel. Lastly, the phone will come over 3GB RAM and 32GB, 64GB storage configurations. Other details of the handset are still under wraps. The rear of Galaxy A12 5G is similar to the unannounced Galaxy M12, which recently leaked in 3D renders. For specifications, the Galaxy M12 will also pack quad rear cameras along with an LED flashlight. The late renders reveal the power button and the fingerprint sensor will be placed at the right edge of the device. Let's see, we have to wait for the new models of Samsung Galaxy.